time of year, we're doing a lot of indoor stuff, but you know, we want to get ready for that great season when we're outdoors. If you'd like to improve the look and texture of your skin, think about turning back the clock a little bit, getting rid of those fine lines. Check out a couple of new therapies in use at the Aesthetic Associates. Dr. Sam Shatkin is back, and he's going to be telling us about a couple of therapies that he's working together. And you know what? Their office is the only office in the country doing it. So it's so great to have you back.
Yeah,
this
great
is called
to be back, Linda.
Fraxis Duo?
You know, I get excited about everything we do.
I know
but
you
I can tell you, especially in this particular product line, we were the first in the United States to actually use this Fraxis Duo. It's a combination of radio frequency with microneedling. And essentially what happens is the needles pass through the skin, and then when it gets onto the deep layer where the dermis is, it generates a heat called radio frequency. And that stimulates the collagen and helps make it more youthful. Actually, this is a good demonstration here. You're going to see what I'm doing. This actually is a YouTube video as well. But it shows you the special tip that's an individual tip. Everybody gets their own sterile tip. They're gold-plated needles. And we'd already finished the face and the right side of the neck. Now I'm going to do the left side of the neck. And you're going to actually see the actual demonstration of this as we're working. And there's no laser here, so the nice thing about it is that you don't need special goggles, anything protective. You just these are the needles going in. Now, her skin has been prepared using a topical numbing cream, which sits on the skin for about 45 minutes, and then she undergoes this treatment. And essentially, you can see the light blinking there. When that light blinks, that's when the radio frequency is generating. And it's the greatest thing. I mean, there's no downtime with this. Patients are pink for a couple hours. For the women, they can put makeup on right after they leave the office if they want to. We have people come on their lunch break to have this done. And already in just 1 month, 5 weeks since we've had this, we've done over 60 treatments.
Wow. Now, do you need to have this done again?
Yeah, usually it's a series. Thank you for asking that. It's a series of treatments. Usually we're doing about 4 to 6 treatments on a patient, depending on how severe the sun damage is. And what you can't see, the graphic at the bottom, it's called the next best thing, NECKS. Because really, there's not a lot that we can do for the neck up until now. And now we offer this amazing treatment. And everybody comes in, all these middle-aged individuals or older, and they say, what can you do for my neck? Because that's a telltale.
Yes, yes.
You know, a lot of times you can hide things with makeup on the rest of the face, but the neck you can't. And that's why we set up this special protocol just for this.
Now, does this work for men as well?
Yeah, it works for men too. I've had it done on my neck twice already, and it's just a fantastic treatment. And you know, I'm reaching that age of 60, Linda, so I don't want to look 60. So I have these things
None
done.
of us do.
Right. So, and the nice thing is for myself especially, it's no downtime. You're not really staying off of work at all. You come in, you do your treatment, and then you go right back to work, and it's great.
And how long would you wait before you have another treatment?
Well, usually we space them out about 2 weeks apart, and then you do the series of 4 to 6 treatments. We actually have a schematic. If we can show the diagram, I have a little additional video here, and then we'll show some photos. So this is a video. This shows the handpiece, and I wanted to show this particularly because it shows you where this energy is. There's the needles that come out, and when they're underneath the surface, they actually stimulate that radio frequency energy. And that's targeting the collagen, because those needles go exactly to the depth we want. And here's a schematic of the actual treatment. And then right after this, we're going to see a couple pictures. You're going to see what that looks like. But this is where the energy gets applied. You can see it warming up there and sending that heat down into the dermal layer. And what happens is, as we get older, the dermal layer of collagen loses its elasticity, loses its shape, and we want to build that collagen back up.
Yes, we do.
And here's a couple of great photographs, and here are the indications of it. You can see in just two treatments, you can see how much better this is. And we do this in combination with some home products, which we have a special program for our patients. And here's another another treatment afterwards. So these are just really a fantastic way to, like I said before, no downtime. They can get some nice improvement of the quality of the skin, and overall they just really see a nice improvement.
That's really incredible. And again, you have so many different treatments that you can offer people, but this is the newest, everybody. And again, the woman who is having this done look very comfortable, and it's just a matter of going in for a few times. But I was reading the list. This is great for pore reduction. This is great for a lot of different
wrinkles,
things.
Acne scarring,
aging,
aging changes, crepiness to the skin of the neck especially, but we use it on the entire face. We also do it on the arms. Some women come in with this crepey skin that they're not happy with in the arms. It's a little bit longer procedure because we got 2 arms and we do it on, but this is a good before and after picture, and this is utilizing both the radio frequency and the home skin products that we can benefit from, and we've just had tremendous results. so far, and the patients are very pleased with the progress. It does take time for that collagen to fully remodel, so the results are not immediate, although people say that it looks better almost right away. But
well, let me ask a question then. Would it be better for you to come in before you're really unhappy with your neck?
well, well, not just the neck, of course, but the whole face. But absolutely, I think the main thing is to be proactive in your health. Some people wait too long, and then they need to really do a lot more to turn that clock back. Other individuals can come in when they're relatively youthful, like myself. I feel like my skin's not in bad shape. I'm just slowly turning that clock back so I can maintain that. And like I said before, it's great for men too, because men in general don't want to do surgery. They want to do these things that can help slow down that aging process. And this is just really a tremendous product.
I think most people will agree there's nothing better than seeing somebody after a while, and the first thing they tell you is that you look great.
Yeah,
And then you can say to yourself, I'm so glad I made that appointment with Dr. Shatkin, because I do look great.
Well, the other thing too is we have a lot of tools, as you mentioned, Linda. These tools, some people come in with a lot of brown spots and irregularities. Then we'll do a particular laser for them, or skin treatment with a peel. Other individuals have the sun damage and the wrinkling of the skin. So we'll pick and choose the customized treatment for the individual.
And there you go. And listen, avoid it. If you're going to be going on a vacation, wear your sunscreen, right?
The sunscreen is an important part of our system to start with. This is important. Our sunscreen. All these products are our own private label products that we've customized as
get
a
it
kit
there.
for the patient.
You're always going to get a better product than you would somewhere else. But go right to the doctor's office and get what you need. Thank you, Dr. Shatkin. That's so interesting, everybody. Remember, this is called Fraxis Duo, but that's all right. When you get to the office, they'll tell you all about this and so many other great tools in their arsenal. I'll tell you, keeping you look beautiful. 839-1700. And also, don't forget, Treore Spa right there on Main Street in Williamsville. And again, you can get to them by